What's up everybody? Welcome back to SV's Auto. Just doing a little kind of update video here. We're kind of mid on our project bus, but I don't know if some of you caught it in the episode 7, I think it was. Part of that you can see I had some pretty good stitches on my right hand. Step for me anyway is I'm going to line this up here and then scribe this across. And I'm going to explain to you where that came from. And the culprit for that has to do with something over there. So there's the culprit. That is a 1992 Subaru SVX engine, a EG33. This engine is 24 valve and I have heard it has forged internals. So crank, rods, and then aluminum piston heads. I don't know if that's true or not. Don't know a ton about this, but it's supposed to make 230 stock from the factory. So this thing would rip in something light. So in the process of removing that, I ended up with 9 stitches in my hand. And how that happened was I had removed the engine and I was getting the wiring harness for the computer and that out of the cabin of the vehicle, pulling on the wires, and my hand slipped off and I cut myself on a piece of metal and had to haul this and myself out of there, get in my truck, and then proceed to go get stitches. Needless to say, the people at the junkyard had an eventful day. I think probably a lot of them won't forget that for a while. So anyway, making memories. Not sure exactly what we're going to do with it yet, but I have it. If I wanted to, I could put it in the bus here. But being a camper, I don't think I really want to do that. I think it'd be a lot more fun in Type 3, Carmen Ghia, something like that would be awesome. But I don't have one of those yet. So I guess the key word there is yet, right? I'm sure it would be a ton of work because this thing's pretty big. I mean, it's a big engine. That, by comparison, is an EJ22 and an EG33. So I think it's like 8 inches longer and about 100 pounds more. A couple other updates, working on some stuff in the shop here. I had recently bought the welder plasma cutter over there and was running it on 110 power, which I don't think is ideal. So I have outfitted some 220. So here, take a look. Get this guy out of the way so you can see. Aha, there we go, look. So, 220. New line in, separate from the compressor line here. So now I can plug these in properly. And then eventually I think that I would like to either bring that out here for a little better ease, or possibly make it over to the other side somewhere. Another update, purchased something else for the shop. It's down here. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, there it is. Let's get that. A bead roller. It's a little guy. 8-inch, but maybe that'll help me make some of the panels, save some costs. We'll see. It's all a learning process anyway. Yeah, so I just wanted to share a little bit of what's going on here. Hand's all better, so don't worry about that. And then we're gonna get back to it. We're gonna start filming some other things. So make sure you stay tuned. We will get back to the bus. We will make sparks fly and bend metal and weld, maybe. Kind of weld and patch panels and things like that. We're still working on this area here, and then we will move our way around. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notifications. Check out my descriptions. I put links for tools, products, cameras, things like that I use. Currently I am trying to figure things out with Amazon, so they may not be in this video, but we'll get them back up shortly. We're also working on a web page, so that will be coming in the future. So make sure you stay tuned, keep supporting us, and we appreciate it.